Hi there! Pastor Charlie here from New Hope Lutheran Church. I'm bringing you another edition of Pastor Charlie's Toolbox. Not from the garage today, but I want to bring you here to show you something. Something important. Something that has to do with our lesson for today. Once upon a time, a lot of decades ago, this whole area was rather desolate. It was due to environmental degradation. The soil couldn't really support any plants at all. And even today in places like here, it's supporting some, not a lot, but it's doing something. Now, a while back, a long time ago, some people said, you know, we should do something about that. We should make this place alive again. And others may have said, what's the point? But those who wanted to recreate, to bring back life to this area, they went at it anyway. They didn't just give up on it. And now, I want you to take a little look around, so bear with me. There's a lot more greenery here than meets the eye. In fact, we even have a healthy lake down here. And all this is possible because people decided to do something to make creation better again. And even though the soil isn't the absolute best all over the place, mostly rock with some dirt on it, people didn't give up. And they didn't say, well, there's no point in trying to do anything about it. So I want you to look around with me here today. Today it could actually be called lush, because there's a lot of vegetation compared to what there used to be. And looky here, we have a lesson today from Matthew 13, verses 1 to 9 and 18 to 23. And Jesus talks about planting seeds. Plant seeds wherever you are. Whether it's good ground, whether it's stony ground, whether there's no ground. Plant seeds. And that applies to us as well. It's about our planting seeds of hope, love, and joy in the hearts of other people who are looking, whose lives are on rocky and stony ground. So often we say, well, I want to plant seeds only where they're guaranteed to grow so my efforts aren't wasted. But as you can see here, our efforts, even on the most rocky of ground, they are never wasted. So get out there, plant seeds of love, hope, and joy, and may our seed planting bring as spectacular results as this.